Looking at the function f of x equals b to the x, where b is any constant, finding the derivative of this function is fairly simple. One can simply rewrite b to the x as e to the natural log of b to the x. Using the power rule, you can further simplify e to the natural log of b to the x into e to the x times natural log of b. Taking the derivative of e to the x natural log b would give us e to the x natural log b times natural log of b. Remember, when taking the derivative of e to some power, you must multiply by the derivative of the power itself. It is imperative to remember this rule when taking this type of derivative, or else you will face the dire consequences of missing points on the AP exam. So now we are pretty much done. We need to remember that we defined that e to the x natural log of b was the same thing as b to the x. Therefore, we can rewrite this as b to the x times natural log b, giving us the answer to the derivative of b to the x. Now, when coming across this type of problem on the AP exam, it is important to stay calm and not be fearful of the type of question, or else the calculus goblins will come into the room and nibble your ankles. Now, looking at this problem from the written response section of the AP exam administered in 2021 and negative 11/17 divided by 0, we can see that this problem covers a topic, the calculus of beatboxing, which is very briefly brushed upon in Calculus AB. To begin solving for the derivative of beat to the x, one first must recall Newton's fundamental constant beats, which came to Newton after the beatboxing tree dropped an apple upon his head, which blessed him with extraordinary hip-hop and beatboxing ability. He, of course, released this fundamental constant beats theory as a footnote when he invented literal calculus. The simplest solution to this problem is to use Newton's classic calculus beat, which he was often called beatboxing when deriving complex equations. This classic calculus beat, of course, being Now, with beat equaling the classic calculus beat, we must remember that a beat raised to the x power means you must vocalize the beat. So using the fundamental theorem of Beatboxulus, we can rewrite beat to the x as b to the x. So if f of x equals b to the x now, then f prime of x equals the derivative of b to the x, which we established earlier in the lesson is b to the x times natural log b. And now beatboxing the answer, we now have b to the x times natural log b. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon to catch future updates. Feel free to go to metamomath.w3spaces.com for more Calculus AB review in the future. Again, thank you very much for watching this Calculus review session. I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!